So today's tutorial we're going to talk about HTML iframes. What are HTML iframes? HTML iframe is used to display web pages within a page. Okay, sorry about this. Sorry about this as well. So let me open up my page here and I'll show you guys what an iframe really is. Let's say we'll visit a website like google.com. Yeah, there's this website actually designed for someone, so I want you guys to see it. This website has some videos that are from YouTube. So the website name is drjackwellnesscenter.com. So I open it up. So when this website is loading, now, it's opened. This website was designed with WordPress, sorry, but it wasn't. There wasn't need to design them with fresh code from scratch, actually. So this is a very good example how iframe works. So you will see, yeah, there is it. It is. This video is actually from Facebook, and this video is an example of an iframe. If I say let's inspect, I will inspect around it so that I can actually get the video that has this element. When I inspect around it, so that this video has a video tag inside a div element. See, as you can see here, this is how an iframe is, an iframe element, as you can see. So right here, we're going to copy this link, copy. So let's go to our project folder since we don't have one yet. So go to our project folder. Sorry about this. So our project folder here, open it up, go to documents, HTML tutorial or tutorial, go to HTML tutorial series, and this is not lesson 1, this is lesson 15. So in this lesson we're going to know more about iframe and how they work. So create a new text document. I'll call it iframe test dot html. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first thing first we are going to do, we are going to open up this file here. To open up this file, open it in a notepad. Then we'll have to type out our documents, doc type, then which is doc type HTML. Sorry. Then we say HTML. Then we close HTML. Okay. Open it up. Then we say head. The closing of it. We say body. Okay, let's give it a title. So, hello frame. title, and so in creating an iframe, the first thing we have to do is to create the iframe tag. An iframe is not self-enclosing element. Rather, when you open the tag like this, you have to close it like this. Is open and close tag elements. So the attributes of iframes are the URL, which is the src. This stands for where is your where is the document you want to load, where is it located. So here we're going to paste in the URL we just copied from that website. We can actually paste in any website, since iframe can embed another website within it. Let's say we have google.com. So I copy google.com, I take it to my notepad, I paste it in there, and I leave it that way. Then I give it a title, can give it a width as well. So title of this title should be Google embed iframe. Okay, and there are a set of things I can do here. Can add an attribute called the width. So I say width, give it a width of 200 and a height of 400. Okay, so now when I save this, I want to open it up in my browser. Click on it, then open. I see it says Firefox can't open this page. Okay, so let's open it in a new window. It says google.com. But as you can see, this is an example of how iframe works. Let me see why it's not actually connecting. Let's do it this way. Let's change this, give it this way, and then refresh it. Okay, initially we have, let's just go to YouTube. So this is YouTube. We're going to copy any YouTube video link, then we're going to load it there on iframe. This is a video link of small, and this video link here, this guy here. So let's copy the link, copy link, and I go to my notepad here. We remove google.com, paste this link here, save it. Then I come back to this place, I refresh, and it says to protect. Let's view the source. Sometimes these things do misbehave, but it's fine. You can actually fix that. Alright, so let's try loading this. Okay, let me open up Dr. Jack. The first link I copied that was actually embedded. So let me get the link. Let's paste it. I get why it's not actually loading, guys. It's because this browser, the website can't allow an external website to open it without proper authentication. So is very much advised to authenticate, to have your URL. If you want to share it, you have to copy it in a way that is copy video URL. Now I have to paste it here. I have to paste it right here. Paste it here. And this is the video URL. And then when I refresh this, wow, that's serious. Okay, sorry, this is still loading google.com. Sorry about that, guys. The website is still loading google.com where you should load something else that's not google.com. Should have load youtube.com as well. So you see, it won't allow us to open it directly. So since this video is actually embedded on the website, but there are ways you can fix this. There are ways we can fix it, but that is how we open. But let's talk more about what iframes are used for. They say since we set the width, sorry about this, we set the width and the height. Let's increase the width to 400, 600. Save that. See the width changes, and so it says it's good practice to always include a title attribute for the iframe. This is used by the screen readers to read out what content of iframe is. Iframe sets attribute height and width. We've talked about that. We know how to change the height and the width. And also we have to remove the border of an iframe. If you want to get the iframe border removed, we've talked about that in our previous section, how to deal with borders. We just add the style attribute to it, and then in the style you say something like border none, then you close it, you refresh, and you see we have no more border around the iframe. And one more thing, with CSS you can also change the size, style, color, and iframe border as well. You can change the color of the iframe border, something more like this one here. Instead of adding this, I'll just say 2 pixel solid red. Okay, save that and then try it again, and you see this iframe targets for a link. An iframe can be used as target frame for a link, and we can do that as well. So there are a lot of things we can do with iframe. Iframe helps a lot, and it's quite interesting that we have come to the end of this tutorial. But I will fix this. I'll fix this issue. But I'm showing an example how iframe is. This is an example of it. If you watch closely, when I reviewed this before by inspecting on the page, and you will see something's here. See that the element is in there. Start going bit by bit until you get to where the element is located. You see what is there. We have an iframe. This is an example of an iframe. So this iframe body here is everything about this body. So since this iframe contains is fully authenticated, it contains everything about this website, and within this iframe you will discover that um, it has HTML content on the inside as the content of this page. So that's how you know that the iframe actually did work. So for reference purposes, let's do this like this and save it. When we refresh this again, you see quite different that it can load because this file is being called from a local host. Not even a local host, this file is being called from a file uh, directly from a file in the system, and Firefox can allow this to be opened. So let's say we're calling this from let's say we're calling it from a server, a local server. Let me open with code. I just want you guys to see that this worked from an actual server, not a file system that when clicked it will take you to uh, the website, but this time around I'm actually running it from a server. So opening the file, I right click. When I right click on this page here, right click on it, I want to open this with a live server, so right click, it's still loading. I right click on it and I open a live server with it, and you see this in action and how uh, it's it came alive. No longer the extension is activating and it's pushing out to. So let's wait a while, guys, and try again. Sorry about this. This video is taking longer than it should. It wasn't supposed to take this long, but actually fixing this. Okay, the server has started on port 5505 5500, and as you can see, the video is loading and we have our iframe working and it's loaded our page. As you can see, guys, that's it for this video tutorial, and that will be end for this video. Thank you guys once again, and if you haven't subscribed on this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and guys, see you next time.